Hey guys, good morning. So we're going to be working on a literary device chart today. So you'll just be filling out this chart on Google Classroom. This will be uploaded for you. So for chapters 1 through 7, so everything that we've read so far, I want you to think about what is an important symbol, all right, in that area. Name the symbol, pull a quote for the symbol, explain why that symbol is important to the novel. Okay, theme, internal conflict, external conflict. And then you're going to be looking at these three characters' character development, Ralph, Jack, and Piggy, right? For these, you're going to pull adjectives that describe the character, right? It doesn't have to be an adjective-noun combo, but it can be if you want to, or just multiple adjective. You are going to pull a quote that proves that adjective, and then again, an explanation for why that adjective is the most important part of Ralph, Jack, and Piggy's characters, okay? So for that, really what I'm looking for is the importance of that adjective. Why is it the one that you chose, right? Same with external, internal conflict, theme, and symbol. Make sure that we're explaining, not only explaining the symbol or the theme, but also why it is the one that you chose for these chapters. Why is it the most important in all of these chapters? Okay? Thanks, guys. Bye.